Mandar Surlakar murder case, the High Court Division Bench was pleased to grant premature release to all three petitioners before this court, that is, Jovita Ryan Pinto, Rohan Dungat, and Shankar Tiwari. The State Sentence Review Board had recommended all three cases for premature release. However, the government, after taking the opinion of the Children's Court, rejected all three cases. Our main grounds before this court were that primarily all the factors and parameters as required to do so were not taken into consideration, and the government had only mainly taken into consideration the heinous nature of the crime. We had said that they are reformed and they are rehabilitated and they can rehabilitate into society. They have done their education and they have changed their lives. So the High Court initially had kept the matter for judgment. Last week, the High Court had kept it for directions and had asked us whether the fine amount as imposed by the Children's Court at the time of conviction was paid. We had informed the court that the fine amount was not paid, and last Friday we paid the fine and the matter was kept for compliance last Friday. Today the matter was reserved for judgment and the judgment was pronounced where all three petitioners were directed to be released by the state government.